ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। हरि ओम, a very warm welcome. In the last session, we saw how with so much of deep devotion, Vali handed over his son Angada for the service of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji, and like the garland on an elephant drops, he just dropped his body. With that, Vali attains the supreme. Now see in the 11th Chaupai, राम बाली निज धाम पठावा, नगर लोग सब व्याकुल धावा। नाना विधि बिलाप करतारा, छूटे केसन देह संभारा। तारा बिकल देखि रघुराया, दीन ज्ञान हरि लीन्ही माया। क्षिति जल पावक गगन समीरा, पंचरचित अति अधम शरीरा। प्रगट सो तनु तव आगे सोवा, जीवनित्य के ही लगी तुम रोवा। उपजा ज्ञान चरण तब लागी, लीन सी परम भगति बर मागी। उमा दारु जोशित की नाई, सबहि न चावत राम गोसाई। तब सुग्रीव ही आय सुदीन्हा, मृतक कर्म विधिवत सब कीन्हा। राम कहा अनुजहि समुझाई, राज देहु सुग्रीव ही जाई। रघुपति चरण नाई करी माथा, चले सकल प्रेरित रघुनाथा। लक्ष्मण तुरत बोलाए, पुरजन विप्र समाज। राजु दीन्ह सुग्रीव कह, अंगद कह जुबराज। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। राम बाली निज धाम पठावा। भगवान रामचंद्र जी sent Vali to his own abode, Saket Dhama. Very interestingly, a point to be noted. Bhagavan gave Vali his own Dhama, Saket Dhama, but he did not give Vali, Kaivalya Mukti. Because Kaivalya Mukti needs knowledge. Sugriva still had lot of ahankara in him. Therefore, he gave him Saket Dhama, but he did not give him Mukti Dhama. He gave Salokya Mukti, we may say. This is one point. Nagara Loga Sab Vyakula Dhava, all the residents of Kishkinda, all the Vanara, you cannot say Sena, they have not yet become Sena. Vanaras, all of them came, running towards Vali, and they were all very, sad. And all said and done, though they are monkeys, remember they are all devatas. They are all devatas, but all said and done, they had their, heart for Vali, and they felt very sad. नाना विधि बिलाप करतारा, छूटे केसन देह संभारा. In different ways, Tara, wife of Vali, she was so, in despair. She was so much in pain, sorrow, and she unknotted her hair. And she was in lot of pain in many ways. She lamented. Tara bikala dekhi raguraya, dini jnana hari leenhi maya. Look at this. For Vali he gave Saket Dhama, his own Dhama, but did not give Mukti. He did not give Mukti from Samsara. Whereas here, Tara Bikala Dekhi, looking at her pain, looking at her distress, you know what Bhagavan did? Deen hi jnana, harilin hi maya. He removed Maya from her mind and gave her jnanam. Naturally, the moment she gains jnanam, she gets Kaivalya Mukti. Isn't it? She is ready for Kaivalya Mukti rather. He gave her jnanam, thereby she understood the truth of life. One of the commentators very interestingly writes, she was a jignasu from her inner self. That is why she could even advise Vali. That kind of a jignasu she was. Jignasu means the one who is wanting to gain the knowledge of the Supreme. And she was not even that kind of a Dina Bhakta towards Bhagavan. But however, compassionate Lord gave her that jnanam and removed that Maya so that her pain in her heart can reduce. And the very important point here is Shabda Jnana. He gave her through Shabda. That means what? He must have taught her the Upanishad, the essence of all Upanishads through Vakya. He gave her that knowledge. You know, knowledge can be gained in very many ways. It can also be given in sparsha, by touching the head, drishya, by drishti, only by looking eye to eye. We have in Karnataka, we have Kalidasa, who was a Mahabuddhu. But then Kali gave with her Trishula, she wrote Om in his tongue and he became a great Vidwan. Is it not like that? So many ways. Through Rupa Darshana, again, Mukti can be given, Bhagavan can give any way. And here, through Shabda, in fact, Bhagavan can give knowledge just by Sankalpa. By his very thought, somebody can become a great Jnani. Now, in Adhyatma Ramayana, for example, both in Samskrita as well as in Malayalam, there is a Adhyatma Ramayana, which they read. I think once I made a mention, one whole month they chant Ramayana, Adhyatma Ramayana. Ramayana Masa they call. In that Ramayana, there is a great description, beautiful description, continuing description of Bhagavan's Upadesha to Tara. Remember that Bhagavan's Upadesha to Tara has been very beautifully given, whereas Tulsidasi does not give much time on that. Chiti jala pavaka gagana samira. In a very short way he says, Hey Tara, Pancharachita ati adhama sarira. This sharira is adhama. It is extremely vile in its nature. And it is made up of what? Pancharachita. What is that? Chiti, earth. Jala, water. Pavaka, fire. Gagana, earth. And Samira, air. It is made up of all these five Panchamahabhutani, the five elements. And he also spoke to her on Atma Anatma Vivekaha. He gave her the distinction between Atma and Anatma, how body is Anatma and that soul which is inside is the real Atma. Pragataso tanu tava age sova. See, by doing this, Bhagavan has beautifully displayed that he is a Dayavira. He is such a beautiful, person, so much of compassion, Bhagavan. And through Dayavirata, he gave Tara the very knowledge of the Supreme. Pragataso tanu tava age sova. This mortal frame, body. It has to die someday. If not today, some other day it has to anyway die. If you are loving the body, of what use is that love? But the soul never departs. Soul is eternal. Pragataso tanu tava age sova jiva nitya. Here jiva, one is jiva is the soul, the causal body. Another one is Paramatma himself inside. So, jiva nitya kehi lagi tumarova. Why are you lamenting? Why are you crying? If you are loving the soul of Vali, he is eternal, nitya. You don't have to worry at all. He is eternal. If you are loving the body, it is panchamuhabhuta. It will die someday. It has to die someday. Prakriti dharma. Upaja jnana charana tavalagi. The moment Bhagavan gave her this light of wisdom, this knowledge, it actually dawned in her heart. He said, yes, I don't love this Sharira, I love him. Therefore, she fell at the feet of Bhagavan. She embraced Bhagavan's feet. Leenesi parama bhagate baramagi. Then she asked Bhagavan for ultimate devotion, complete devotion. With fulfillment of knowledge, she wanted supreme parama bhagate baramagi. And now from here, Shivaji speaks to Uma. Uma, daru joshita ki nai, sabahi nachavata ramu gosai. Hey Uma, you know what? Bhagavan Rama, he is the one who makes everyone dance. Everyone thinks they are doing, they are the karta, they are the bhokta, but actually everyone is a puppet doll in the hands of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji, Nachavata. He is only making them dance like the wooden puppets. Tava sugriva hi aya sudinha Mritaka karma vidhivata sabakinam. Then he called Sugriva. Sugriva, Mritaka karma vidhivata sabakinha. He gave him the right instruction to Sugriva. Now you go and perform the final rites, Antyeshti, to your brother Vali. He gave him the necessary instructions. राम कहानुजहि समुझाई राजदेहु सुग्रीव ही जाई. Once Sugriva, he did all the final rites vidhivat. As per the Shastra, he does everything. And then Rama now calls Anuja, Lakshmana, and says, now you go, Lakshmana, you go to the city, to Kishkinda Nagari, and there you do the Rajyabhisheka to Sugriva. Coronate him as the king of Kishkinda. And then Raghupati Charan Nai Karimatha. All of them bowed their head to Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji, and for executing the orders of Bhagavan, they all went to the city. Why he asked Sugriva, Lakshmana to go and do it? Because he cannot enter any city. He has taken that vow. 14 years he will not enter any city. He will live in forest only. Therefore, he asked Lakshmana to go and do the proper ritual, Rajyabhisheka. Lachimana turata bolaye purajana viprasamaj. Now Lakshmana immediately took charge of that particular ceremony, and he summoned all the Purajana, the citizens of Kishkinda, Vipra, Brahmanas, and Samaja, all the people there, and in their presence, Rajudin hi Sugrivakaha. He crowned Sugriva as the king of Kishkindha, Angadakah Jubaraja, and made Angada, the son of Vali, as the Yuvaraja. Now, very interesting point. As per tradition, the son should become the king. Now, Angada is small, therefore he made Sugriva the king, and he also placed Angada as the Yuvaraja. Meaning, after that, the kingdom comes to Angada, which is Vali's son. So, the parampara is also maintained there. Now, continuing, very, very beautiful part we will see. उमा राम समहित जग माही गुरु पितु मातु बंधु प्रभु नाही सुर नर मुनि सब कै हरीति स्वार्थ लागी करहि सब प्रीति बालि त्रास व्याकुल दिन राति तन बहु ब्रन चिंता जर छाती सोई सुग्रीव कीन्हि कपिरावु अति कृपाल रघुबीर सुभावु जानत हूँ अस प्रभु परिहरहि काहे न विपति जाल नर परहि पुनि सुग्रीव ही लीन बोलाई बहु प्रकार नृपनीति सिखाई कह प्रभु सुनु सुग्रीव हरीसा पूरन जाऊ दस झारी बरीसा गत ग्रीष्म बरसारिनु आई रही हूँ निकट शैल पर छाई अंगद सहित करहूँ तुम राजू संतत हृदय धरे हूँ मम काजू जब सुग्रीव भवन फिरि आए राम प्रबर्शन गिरि पर छाये प्रथम ही देवन गिरि गुहा राखे रुचिर बनाई राम कृपा निधि कछु दिन बास करहि गे आई सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। उमा राम समहित जग माही गुरु पितु मातु बंधु प्रभु नाही। शिवजी tells Uma Parvati, हे उमा, राम समहित जग माही गुरु पितु मातु बंधु प्रभु नाही। There is no one such a friend like Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. Not only friend, guru, even preceptor. Pitu, father, Matu, mother, Bandhu, brother, Prabhu, even master. There is nobody as wonderful as Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. He includes Guru also. And Shankara, Gurum Shankara Rupinam, the highest Guru is Shankara only. And for him, Bhagavan is the ultimate. This only indicates humility of Bhagavan Shivji. Well, Guru, we have plenty of Gurus. Diksha Guru, Shiksha Guru. We have one Sadguru also here. And Sadguru actually means the one who is a realized master. Okay. We have Guru Stotam. Tattvajnanat param nasti. Isn't it? Like that we have so many to talk about Guru. But Shivaji says, Bhagavan Ramchandra ji is even beyond Guru. There is no wonderful friend like Guru, like Sri Ramchandra ji. Suranara Muni Saba Kaya Hariti. Sura, gods, in fact, very interesting. Many will have their own doubts why it is said so, but then it is a fact also. Gods, the celestial beings, are supposed to be the most selfish people. They are scared of their own chair, like politicians these days. And Nara, who are supposed to be, underline, supposed to be less selfish than even the celestial beings. And third variety is Muni, sages and saints, who are much less selfishness. And then Sabikeya Hariti, the sages much less. In fact, they don't have selfishness. Otherwise, they can't be called as sages. They hardly have any selfishness. All sab have some selfish motive. Sages have, but very minimal behind the love they have for the other. Some benefit they look forward to. If not any material, at least they ask for love in return. That is also not considered the highest love. Love, not expecting even love in return, that can only be Bhagavan. Is what Shivaji tells Umaji. बालित्रास व्याकुल दिन रीति तन बहुब्रन चिंता जर छाती. Sugriva, who was trembling day and night because of fear of Vali, and his body, Tana Bahubrana, in his body are so many wounds, all of them so painful, so many scars in his body. Chinta Jarachati, he was so much worried, fearful, lot of anxiety he had. Soi Sugriva Kinhi Kapiravu. That Sugriva, Bhagavan made him the king of monkeys. Kapiravu. Atikripala Raghubira Subhavu. Therefore, Sri Rama is extremely compassionate in nature. Shivaji tells Parvati ji, Janata Vasa Prabhu Pariharahi. No wonder people, nobody wants to abandon Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji knowingly. Kahena Bishapa Jala Nara Parahi. Is it a wonder at all that, when people are in calamity, measures of calamity, problems, crises, at that time they naturally turn towards Bhagavan for support, for clearance of all those obstacles, calamities, hindrances. Puni Sugriva Hilina Bolai Bahu Prakara Nripaniti Sikhai. Then Bhagavan sent for Sugriva, now who is already coronated as the king of Kishkindha. He sent for Sugriva, who came and then instructed him. Bahu Prakara Nripaniti Sikhai. He gave him lot of advices, lot of teaching, lot of learning was, between Bhagavan and Sugriva regarding what? Nripaniti. The administration as a king, how he should administer his kingdom, all those things were taught. Kaha Prabhu Sunu Sugriva Harisa. Bhagavan said, listen, Sugriva, Harisa. Hari also means Kapi. One Hari is Bhagavan Vishnu. The other one is Kapi, Hari. Harisa Kapinam Ishaha. Harinam Ishaha. Sugriva is the Lord of Hari. Purana Javu Dasachari Parisa. I may not enter the city because of 14 years of Vanavas which I have accepted. Gata Grishma Barasharitu Ayi Rahihavu Nikata Saila Parachai. Now the hot season is getting over. And then the rains have just set in. I will therefore camp myself in that particular hill, Pravarsan Parvata, we will see it. I will stay there because it is rainy season. Going further will become difficult. So I will stay there. You continue. Santata Hridaya Dhareshu Mama Kaju. You and Angada Sahita Karahu Tumaraju. Go and rule over the kingdom along with Angada. So thereby he makes sure that Sugriva should not brush aside Angada. In fact, Angada is the rightful heir of the kingdom. Therefore, along with Angada, keep him in good books, having his confidence, taking him into confidence, rule the kingdom. Santata Hridaya Dharehu Mamakaju. Keep me in your heart, and keep me in your heart meaning what? My business. You know for what I have come. Now I have completed your job. Don't forget my work. Keeping that in your heart, go and work. Jab Sugriva Bhavana Phiri Aaye. Then Sugriva returned home. Ramu Prabharashana Giri Parachaye. Pravarshana, that is a name. Pravarshana Giri Parachaye. Now Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji camped himself in Pravarshana Giri, Pravarshana hills. Prathamahi Devanagiri Guha Rakhe Uruchira Banai. All the gods, Devana, all the gods, they immediately came near the mountain. Now Bhagavan is going to stay here for some time. So all of them came to that Giri and made it very charming. They all have got powers, you see. So they made it very, very, very charming. Now see, Sugriva, he never asked Rama, Bhagavan, should I send you some sevakas to help you out when you are staying in Giri? In fact, he should not even ask. He should actually send some people and say, take care of Rama. He must have told. But he didn't do anything. He went back. Rama Kripanidhi Kachu Dina Basa Karahinge Ai. Then the all merciful Lord Kripanidhi Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji Kachudina Basa would come and stay there in that particular hill for some time. Kachudina, for few days. He would stay there. And then the next chaupai is another very beautiful description. Sundara bana kusumita tisobha gunjata madhupanikara madhulobha Kandamula phala patra suhaye bhaye bahuta jabate prabhu aaye देखी मनोहर शैल अनुपा रहे तहाँ अनुज सहित सुर भूपा मधुकर खग मृग तनु धरि देवा करहि सिद्ध मुनि प्रभु कै सेवा मंगल रूप भयउ बन तब ते कीन्ह निवास रमापति जब ते फटिक सिलाति शुभ्र सुहाई सुख आसीन तहाँ द्वौ भाई कहत अनुज सन कथा अनेका भगति बिरति नृपनीति विवेका वर्षा काल मेघ नभ छाये गरजत लागत परम सुहाये लक्ष्मण देखु मोर गण नाचत बारिद पेखी गृही बिरति रन हर्ष जस विष्णु भगत कतु देखी सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। सुंदर बन कुसुमित अति शोभा। Sundara Bana, the forest, Kusumita Ati Sobha, rich in flowers and leaves and beautiful trees and everything. It was looking so splendid. Gunjata Madhupa Nikara Madhulobha. And because of those beautiful flowers all around, all the bees, swarms of bees used to come humming. All of them would come humming and create such a beautiful atmosphere, making the entire forest so charming. कंदमूल फल पत्र सुहाए, भये बहुत जबते प्रभु आए. The forest itself responded with so much of fruits and roots and bulbs and leaves and flowers, etc. And everything grew in abundance, unlimited, when the Lord had come there. देखी मनोहर शैल अनूपा, रहित अनुज सहित सुरभूपा. Seeing, when Bhagavan came to that mountain, seeing the most incomparable beauty of the forest, it was so charming. Rahetaha Anuja Sahita, along with Lakshmana, Bhagavan stayed in that beautiful mountain, Surabhupa, the great Lord, Sri Ramchandra ji. Madhukara khagamrugatanu dhari deva, karahi siddha muni prabhu kai seva. All the celestial beings, Madhukara, Khaga, Mruga. Madhukara means bees, Khaga, birds, Mruga, animals, Tanudhari Deva, all the Devatas, they took the forms. They can change their forms, we have told several times earlier. They changed their forms to bees and birds and bees and made the whole place so beautiful. Karahi Siddha Muni Prabhukai Seva, they all served. All the hermits also, they served the Lord. Many times it is differently told actually. Many times they say, you don't do anything. If you keep quiet, that itself is a big seva, they say. They need not have to do anything. The very presence of all of them and making the forest so beautiful, that wonderful, that itself is a beautiful seva. Giving joy to another is a great seva. Think. Mangala Rupa Bhayavu Banatabte, Kini Nivas Ramapati Jabte. The forest became so beautiful. And Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, the Lord of Lakshmi, Ramapati, took up his residence there. Phatika Sila Ati Subhra Suhai, Sukha Asina Tahan Dvau Bhai. Both the brothers, they sat at ease, relaxed, on a very beautiful crystal lock, Spatika Shila. In that crystal lock, they sat relaxed. After a big work is over, the way how we all said, now big job of making Sugriva the king of Kishkindha and giving him the appropriate responsibilities. Now they came and they sat down on the Sila. Kahata anujasana katha aneka, bhagati birati nripaniti bibeka. Now what did they do? as before once it was discussed, Bhagavan started discoursing his younger brother with so many topics of devotion, dispassion, administration, and spiritual wisdom, various topics. He gave all those things. Kavya Shastra Vinodena, there is a very beautiful couplet I found. I thought I will share. Kavya Shastra Vinodena Kalogachati Dhimatam Vyasanena cha Murkhanam Nidraya Kalahena va. This describes what people get interested and occupy themselves with. Dhimatam, the intelligent people, they occupy themselves with Kavya Shastra Vinodena, enjoying the beauty of Kavya and Shastra, the beauty of the scriptures. Kalogachati Dhimatam, they enjoy in reveling in that Shastra. Vinodena, the beauty of the Shastra. Vyasanena cha murkhana. Murkhas, useless people. Vyasanena cha. Vyasanena means getting addicted to unwanted, wasteful stuff. Playing cards, roaming around. And now latest model, mobile. All the time sitting. Wherever you sit, go on. Reels and YouTube and Facebook and things like that. Wasting the time to the core. No reason, no purpose, no value. You could as well keep the mobile down. If you don't have anything to keep the mobile down. And take the name of the Lord, sing the name of the Lord. Nobody says you should become great sadhu and this one and don't touch one. No. How much of time we waste in the mobile? How much of time we waste in gossips about others? Think. Vyasanenacha, addiction, murkhanam, foolish people. Or nidraya, sleeping, most of this time sleeping, lethargic, lazy goose. And if both are not there, there is one more thing. Kalahenava. Kalahena means fighting with others. All the time fighting. For no reason you start fighting. There are some people who don't require a reason to fight. Think. Useless people, waste of time. Barasha kala megha nabha chaye. As the rains has set in, the sky started, covering itself with clouds, dark clouds. Garajata, lagata, paramasuhai. And it would make lot of, sound, thundering sound. And it was also delightful. There are so many of us who enjoy thunder and lightning and everything, It is so beautiful. What a wonderful nature. Lachimana dekhu moragana nachata barida pekhi. Hey Lakshmana, come here. Look at that. How beautiful. The peacocks are dancing. Nachata. Barida pekhi. When the rain started coming, all the peacocks come, spread their, feathers, and they dance. It is so beautiful. Lakshmana, come and see. Grihi birati rata harsha jasa Vishnu bhagata kahun dekhi. A householder, Grihi. Birati rata harsha jasa. Birati, not Vishayarati. Even householders, they enjoy that dispassion towards things and beings. Vishnu Bhagata kahude ki, they enjoy the presence of Vishnu Bhagata, the devotee of Bhagavan Vishnu. When he comes, the householder also is delighted. How we all get delighted when the rain comes so beautiful. Lakshmana, look at these and enjoy. Further, we will see tomorrow. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।